Updating your legal name on DoorDash is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account reflects your new name quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the DoorDash app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings, look for an option labeled personal information or account information. Click on this to view your current details. Step 4. Update your name. Find the field for your name and enter your new legal name. Make sure to double check for any spelling errors before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your name, look for a save or update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name will be updated on DoorDash. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for assistance.